The Ford F-150 is one of the best-selling trucks in America, known for its power, versatility, and tough build. But like any vehicle, even the F-150 has its share of issues. While it's generally reliable, certain model years, particularly from 2015 onwards, have experienced a few faults that can affect performance and durability. If you're a Ford F-150 owner or thinking about buying one, it's crucial to be aware of these issues so you can avoid unexpected repairs. In this video, we're going to cover the top 10 common faults found in the 2015 to present Ford F-150 models, specifically the P702 series. From engine troubles to electrical glitches, let's break down what you need to watch out for. 10. Engine oil leaks. One of the most common complaints about the Ford F-150 P702 is engine oil leaks. Drivers have reported oil leaks, particularly around the oil pan and valve covers. While oil leaks might seem like a minor issue, they can lead to more serious problems if not addressed. Leaking oil can contaminate other parts of the engine, cause engine overheating, and in some cases, lead to the failure of vital engine components. If you notice oil stains under your truck or a drop in oil levels, get the vehicle checked for leaks. Most of these issues can be traced back to worn-out seals or gaskets. Regular inspections and maintenance can help catch these issues early and prevent expensive repairs down the line. 9. Transmission problems. Transmission issues are another common fault in the 2015 present Ford F-150 P702. Some owners have reported rough shifting, hesitation, and even slipping gears while driving. These problems are often caused by low transmission fluid, which can lead to poor performance or a complete failure of the transmission if left unchecked. The Ford F-150 P702 comes with both automatic and manual transmission options, but the automatic transmissions are more prone to these issues. If you're experiencing rough shifting or the transmission seems to be struggling, it could be a sign that it needs a fluid change, or there might be an underlying issue with the transmission control module TCM. Make sure to monitor the transmission fluid levels regularly to avoid major transmission problems. 8. Power steering failures. Power steering issues are quite common in the 2015 present F-150 P702 models, especially with the electric power steering EPS system. Drivers have reported the steering becoming stiff, unresponsive, or difficult to turn, particularly at low speeds or when maneuvering the truck. In some cases, the EPS system might completely fail, causing the driver to lose steering control, which is a serious safety concern. This issue is usually related to the power steering motor or the system's wiring. If you notice any problems with steering responsiveness, get it checked out immediately. A malfunctioning power steering system can be dangerous and, if left untreated, could lead to a complete failure of the system. 7. Faulty exhaust gas recirculation EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation EGR valve helps reduce emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the engine. In some Ford F-150 P702 trucks, owners have reported issues with the EGR valve malfunctioning. This can cause several problems, including poor engine performance, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. In some cases, a faulty EGR valve can even trigger the check engine light. To prevent EGR issues, regular maintenance, including cleaning the valve, is essential. If the check engine light turns on, a diagnostic test can help pinpoint the exact issue. Replacing a faulty EGR valve is usually a relatively simple repair, but if ignored, it can lead to further engine performance issues. 6. Brake pedal issues. The Ford F-150 P702 is a heavy-duty truck, and its brake system plays a crucial role in stopping it safely. However, some owners have reported issues with the brake pedal feeling soft or spongy. This issue is often due to air or moisture in the brake lines or worn-out brake components. In more severe cases, it could also be caused by problems with the brake master cylinder or the AB system. If you notice that the brake pedal feels unusually soft or doesn't respond immediately when pressed, it's important to have the braking system inspected as soon as possible. Failure to address brake problems could lead to complete brake failure, which is extremely dangerous. 5. Electrical issues. Electrical problems are another common issue with the Ford F-150 P702. Owners have reported issues with the vehicle's electrical system, such as malfunctioning lights, faulty sensors, and non-functioning infotainment systems. Some of the common culprits include bad fuses, faulty wiring, and issues with the truck's battery or alternator. If the electrical system is acting up in your truck, it's important to have it diagnosed by a professional. A simple fuse replacement might solve the issue, but more complex problems may require a detailed inspection of the truck's wiring, or even replacement of faulty electrical components. 4. Suspension issues. Suspension problems are fairly common in the Ford F-150 P702 models, particularly in trucks that are driven off-road or used for towing heavy loads. Some owners have reported issues with the truck's suspension system, including uneven tire wear, poor handling, and excessive bouncing while driving. These issues can be caused by worn-out shock absorbers, damaged springs, or faulty bushings. If your truck feels bouncy or unsteady while driving, it's a good idea to have the suspension components inspected and replaced if necessary. Regular maintenance, especially if you're using the truck for heavy-duty tasks, can help avoid suspension failures and ensure a smooth ride. 3. Fuel system problems. The Ford F-150 P702 is equipped with an advanced fuel injection system that provides efficient fuel delivery to the engine. However, some owners have reported problems with the fuel system, such as clogged fuel injectors, faulty fuel pumps, or issues with the fuel pressure regulator. These problems can cause poor engine performance, rough idling, or difficulty starting the truck. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to have the fuel system inspected. Regular fuel system maintenance, such as cleaning the injectors and replacing the fuel filter, can help keep the engine running smoothly and prevent expensive repairs down the road. 2. Air conditioning problems. Air conditioning issues are also reported by some Ford F-150 P702 owners. Problems with the AC system can include weak airflow, poor cooling performance, or a complete failure of the system. These issues are typically caused by a refrigerant leak, a clogged condenser, or a malfunctioning blower motor. If the air conditioning system isn't performing as expected, it's important to have it inspected. Recharging the AC system with refrigerant might solve the issue, but if there's a leak or another major fault, the faulty parts will need to be replaced. 1. Timing chain issues. Timing chain problems are among the most serious issues found in the Ford F-150 P702 models. The timing chain is a critical part of the engine, responsible for ensuring that the engine's valves open and close at the correct time. If the timing chain becomes stretched or damaged, it can cause engine misfires, poor acceleration, or even complete engine failure. While timing chain issues are relatively rare, they are often expensive to fix. If you hear unusual noises coming from the engine, such as rattling or knocking, or if you notice poor engine performance, it could be a sign of a timing chain issue. Addressing this problem early can save you from major engine repairs or replacement. The Ford F-150 P702 is a tough, reliable truck, but like all vehicles, it's not without its issues. Being aware of these common faults, whether it's engine oil leaks, transmission problems, or timing chain issues, can help you stay on top of maintenance and prevent bigger problems down the road. If you notice any of the symptoms mentioned in this video, be sure to have your truck inspected by a professional mechanic. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to keeping your F-150 running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more truck tips and maintenance advice. Have you experienced any of these issues with your Ford F-150? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.